Hello friends, it's Jan Gray and I'm right here in my oh so wonderful new studio, and I'm going to be sharing a tour of that with you hopefully in the next couple of weeks. Let me know down in the comments if that's something that you would be interested in. Super excited about it. It's such a joyful place for me to come and spend time and be creative, and at times just dig deeper into the Word. And that's what I want to talk to you about today, an opportunity for you to join me in 30 days of gratitude. Guys, I loved setting aside time to focus on particular topics. Partially because I love to do word studies and to dig deeper into particular topics, but also because I know that when I do that, I'm giving God access to my heart and to my mind on that topic. And for the last several years, as I have studied gratitude and rest during this particular season, say September, October, kind of moving a little bit into November, I have found that each year there has been some aspect of what I was studying that he really wanted to grab hold of me and have me let him do a redemptive work on. I don't know about you, but that is a never-ending process in my life, and I'm glad of it. But I really and truly, I want to be about the business of what God wants to change in my life, not necessarily trying to figure out, well, there's this characteristic or that. You know what? If we'll just give him access to us, he'll change us in the ways he wants to change us. And that always results in us being a better image bearer of him. So anyway, I want to invite you. I've done this on my own for the last, I don't know, maybe 6, 7, 8 years. And as I was getting ready to do it this year, I thought, why don't I invite my friends? I've kind of been missing in action on YouTube and in the teaching world for a while, really needing to focus on getting settled in this lovely little place and getting moved to Dallas, and just kind of letting God walk me through the grief process. There was a lot that went on, but you know what? I am in such a blessed place right now, and I am so ready to jump back in and spend time with you all as often as we can in as many ways as possible. And so as I was getting ready to start this, I really thought maybe that would be a great way for us to jump back in and reconnect together. So I don't know about you, but if you would like to go deeper into his word, I'd love to do that together with you. That would be really pretty awesome. So here's what I've come up with. I have come up with a online interactive journaling class that's called 30 Days of Gratitude. You could do this whenever, but I'd love for you to do it while we can be interactive over it. And there's going to be really 3 or 4 aspects of it, and you can pick and choose the things that you want to do. I've designed a whole printable kit that if you want to make a kind of a junk journal or a mini album or something like that, I'm going to provide you all those resources as part of your registration. And then I will be sending you the devotional. And then I'm going to be doing YouTube videos that are how I'm using the kit and doing those sorts of things. It's not going to be any of the teaching. It is going to be tutorials and how-to videos on how to put a journal together. Another thing that I will provide for you is, in anticipation, I know that sometimes it's fun to get ready, as much fun as it is to anticipate. So I have made another printable that you get as just an add-on to your class. There's no additional cost for it, but it is a little tag book that's really focused on providing you journaling space. It will slide right into your bigger project if that's what you want to do, or it will be a great little standalone project. But fun, anticipating what you're going to be digging into in a very short while. So we're going to begin on September the 15th. Up until the 1st of September, you can get early registration, and that's over on my Ko-fi site. I'll put a link down below so that you can get there really easily. Another thing, I told you there's going to be lots of things that you can pick and choose from. But another thing, my friend Hope has come alongside me. First of all, she came alongside and helped me organize this room. So the fact that it's kind of my dream studio is thanks to her. And I'm so grateful for her friendship and her partnership in using her gift of organization to help me take what was in my head and make it a reality. But I have partnered with her because she is an incredible designer and junk journaler, and she is going to be putting together some very limited physical add-on kits that will complement the topic and the color scheme and all of those things. And if you're an early register, you will get first dibs on those. Like I said, they're going to be limited, so that will be a real benefit to going ahead and getting your registration done early. Those of you that register later, after September 1st, you're still going, any that are left, you will have access to those. So don't feel like you're going to be left out in the cold. I know that she has been having so much fun figuring out what to include in those kits. And they're going to be really unique things that you're going to want to have as those little touches of perfection to add to your journal. The other thing that I will provide, and that will be linked down below as well, is that I have created a curated list of the products that I'm using for the most part, or my favorites anyway. And that's going to be on my Amazon storefront. Now, here's the deal, guys. I do get a small commission if you purchase through there. It does not change the price for you, but it does enable me to spend time doing the physical work of editing and filming and creating the products. So anyway, that would be a blessing to me if you were in need of something that we're going to be using and didn't have it, or something similar. Because here's the thing, I really want you to shop your own stash first. So go look at the things that I've listed there and see what you have that is the same or similar. And then if there's a couple things you want to pick up, that would be great if you would do it there, because that really helps give me the freedom to spend the time that I want to on creating all this fun stuff. The last thing that I'm going to do, and it will come to you as a registrant. Once you have registered, you will get immediately you'll get this little sheet of labels that you can print and start stamping and start making ephemera. I'm a big believer in building anticipation within our creative self. And so if we get started on doing some of those things, then we're ready. We've hit the ground running when we get to that point of creating the bigger project. So you will get that immediately. And then one of the second emails that you will get will be a list of the color scheme. I've tried to do my best to say, here's the distress inks, the distress oxides, the sprays, all of those kinds of things that I will be using, so that if you're wanting to match the printable to, I think I'll also be trying to give you some Copic color options, maybe some watercolor options, kind of your coloring medium palette options. That will come as a separate thing, and that will only be for those that have registered. I will not make that available to those that participate just via YouTube. So that will be the last one of the other things that you will get as well. Folks, I'm so excited to be back filming. I'm excited mostly to be getting to spend time with you. You matter, and I've missed you. And I feel like this is a new season, and so we're gonna approach it as all things new. And I invite you to come into a season of contemplation on rest and gratitude. I hope you'll join me. I'll see you soon. Bye.